You will need a wheelbarrow, a shovel, a trowel, a level, a tape measure, about 200 pounds of pre-mixed concrete, pea gravel and a water source. Select a location for your flagpole. Make sure there are no obstructions, no power or utility line beneath the surface or overhead. Dig around fence post size hole, 14 inches in diameter and 28 inches deep. Make sure the ground sleeve fits in with at least an inch above ground level. Pour or shovel in about 4 inches of pea gravel. This will provide water drainage. Install the stop bolt completely through the pre-drilled hole in the ground sleeve. Push the sleeve into the gravel. Make sure it is at least 1 inch above ground level. Be sure and sink the sleeve into the gravel or the concrete will seal the hole and prevent water drainage. Mix concrete according to the manufacturer's instructions. Make sure the red cap is covering the ground sleeve. Begin to shovel cement into the hole. Remove the red cap and check that the sleeve is level. Replace the cap on the sleeve to prevent anything from entering the sleeve. Top off cement as needed. Check the level and add more cement if needed. Use a trowel to smooth out the surface. Clean the ground sleeve with a wet towel if necessary. After 24 to 48 hours of drying time, set up your flagpole. Contact us if you have any questions. www.offtodyflagpoles.com. offtodyflagpoles@gmail.com. 765-592-6499.